they go? Now so run you they run they go. Where you they run they go?
My brother, wait.
What did they pursue you now?
I beg. Now so follow you the follow person.
Madam, what did you
want go see that my friend where I tell you now. You don't know that my friend.
That your friend. Which one again?
Hey, that my friend where I tell you last week now. Where they tell you say.
Okay, that one will help you.
Okay. Now he call me, he just call me, begin they talk. This friend matter self. I just tired, when people don't see they understand. This my friend, she said get good character. She good well.
Yeah, I know.
But he saying get this a friend. If they complain to me, he say na so me boy, like this a friend they do. He say you want just tell her off. He just they quarrel. And they don't like my friends. You know they quick quarrel.
Oh, wow.
Now they tell her say different friends they.
True.
And everybody know that one.
Yes,
people don't go fit up say they don't know say na different friend that person they see.
We not go know that one. We not go know.
So me I want tell her say make it rest because the one where I tell her for phone it be like say she don't hear me well. So make I go see her face to face. Make I tell her say friends they way that they endure. Their character get as it be. But if you don't know, beneath say ayo ohaya nye. You go know this one character. You go bear. You know the other one character, you bear. But if you be the type we go fit talk to her, come on for bad character, you go talk to her. But you go fair no say that bad character way there and you not get her. You self they take correction.
Yes.
So if you know they take correction, they go they want correct another person.
They tell
so
you.
that kind of friends, it not good.
Not
so
good
a friend they where be say he go just call you. Now somebody matter.
Yes.
Now he want the guaguan. He want spoil person for you. He not get another thing we go tell you. Now some people be. Now what? Make I call them more. Hello, sister. Good evening. If you see what in my eyes see today, for one birthday party where I just rush go. Hey, if you see what in my eyes, guess who I see? Your friend, one of your friends. Oh my God. If you see what she just misbehaved for that. That they see that kind of friend. Some friend they will be say, I don't feel tell you all this.
Madam, I beg, you don't feel tell me I beg, I need more advice. Because this life people need advice.
Advice, my brother. Where they be say friends where you they go around with, they don't get the same character. Make you know this one. Once you know say this one character get us, take him for who he be.
Exactly.
No go they follow and they make trouble every day. The other one go there, it they good.
Yes.
You go still know say this is character, and you self go know say you good for your own. If you good now, you they follow somebody, they go talk good of you.
So
don't be saying they not go still talk bad of you. Whether no matter how you go good rich, this life where we they live so no matter how you live,
they must talk bad about you.
You know how this one. Why you they stop me now?
I beg, madam, we need this your advice, because you know, now one life you be make it they give us good advice.
Okay, I hear you. Which one you want here?
I beg anyone, I want hear everything where you know. I want know myself.
Make I kukuma rest my. Make I rest my hands.
Okay, now.
One thing I want to tell you now, where they make friends so. Take friend for who he be.
Exactly.
Not look and say, this my friends. Because it gets somewhere I don't know. Then they help. When they help you finish, now I make a way I like that my friend. The way where they help me, where they say, this police station wahala where I carry my body go, you can't help me. See how we still they play today. So they help you finish. Once they don't help you, because God don't bless you, you said don't they do well, they'll come they jealous you. They'll go they talk and they go, now me make a now me do now me do and I make a way we can't do like this. No, you know good me person they do that one.
Yes.
Leave the help where you do, leave her for God to reward you.
Exactly.
Another one say, so friends, he go be your friend though, una go day jolly oh. If you see where better day. he no go show you. He no go show you road. Never. He go no say you want that thing. He no go show you. He go even hear people they talk am.
That's so people.
You know see this Facebook wahala where some people they do this YouTube wahala. Some people they go close to you self. He no go share wetin you put for them. He no go give people because they hear say as they get view. Maybe now YouTube want to pay them. Whereas they don't understand them. They don't go ever share that button. That share button. They don't go share and make they show other people. That one na go be your friend. Abi? Okay. Another one go say, maybe in fact, I don't feel explain. I dey go. Another day I go tell you.
Madam, don't leave me, madam, don't leave me.
This my neighbor said. I won't go enter lift, make I come out.
Okay now. Next time now, madam, next time.
Thank you. Now. I go tell you more about friends.
No wahala,
friends wahala. Not be small. Now make you sabi, put your foot down, back. No say yes. This one are my friend. This one I know as I want to take her. This one I know. Now hearts all of the day. If you know say yes. This one now my friend. No matter things they, you not go leave her. You go suffer they work out down. You not go they do things accordingly. I think that this my friend though. I tell her say me say get friend like that. This my friend. If he just call me, even if he dey kitchen, he go say, oh, if they cook, when he cook finish, he get matter where he want just follow me talk. If you see one of my friend where he see, he go they gossip my friend they give me. I know they mind now. He go carry, he una go see that my friend. You, that my friend. Hello sister, good morning, yeah. Story day. Me I quick cook. I just dey clean up. Me, I just cook finish now. You know that is I saw it. Why I tell you that day. It matter day ground when I will tell you. Yeah, it matter full ground where. Many we will talk. Yes. You know what I they talk. Yes. Yes. Now today we will talk. I want just finish cooking, then I'll come settle down. Then we'll come mania. Okay, later now I will call you back. Bye. Anytime wait just call me like that. Now person matter they tell me. So there I go follow and talk. Wait be say himself when he hear waiting my reply. He no go want tell me about that person again. He go rest. But when he see another one matter, he go want. So wait till they try to tell you be safe and tell other people.
Yes. Make
una know they think say everybody na the same.
Not true now.
Some friends they don't just like you with their hearts.
Not true, not be like.
But one small thing, it could just make them change that likeness. Some they go hate you. You know that HATE. Hey, that word hate. But they go come they pretend.
Oh, wow.
They don't go one. Show one. But if you God bless you too, you go see that hate for a body say this one they pretend. God go show you the kind person will be. So they friend matter too much. Make God make they help us so alone. Help us from the hands of friends. So then you go do them something, you don't offend them. When you offend them, maybe you don't know say you offend them. You go begin to carry your matter. He go they judge for another person. And he go come follow you they talk. Meanwhile, you offend and you don't know. My brother. Hey. Neighbor. Wait till person they see. Hey.
Not good though.
Don't be small thing. Now make now prayer. If you get friends, way better. Pray. Hold on tight because good friends are still out there.
Yes.
If you good friend go they meet you. If bad one come meet you where be say you good, you not nice person, they don't go take. They go wrong because your way and their own not be the same. But now prayer every day. Good friend God give you waka with them. The one where be say you offend, he carry your matter they tell another person, he not tell you. Iriabe not go Iriabe not dey your hand. You know it be Iriabe.
No.
That be say bad thing. Did that say offend? I don't know as I want to explain that one self. That be say you not do bad now. Iriabe go because he not tell you. He go come follow you. They open it again. Now God go help you now. Those kind of friends will be like that. Any friend offends me, they talk because it's good to talk.
Not true.
Anything me I talk, you carry my matter go. Now you neighbor. Now you make me know that you and your brother. If you not do anything, I go tell you now.
Now so, madam,
I go tell you now, neighbor. I go tell you now. Because this life, I go. So the best thing, talk for the right place. But not be say, I'm a go where they talk. So where you not supposed to talk, you go talk. You go your that through way.
No,
so you go you know that one. Hey, this my neighbor, you know many things so.
Now you one laugh, now you the lecture so.
Now so
now you continue to give us advice so.
Yeah, me not say you know where your brother now.
He don't go work, he don't go work.
He don't go work. Hey, okay, all right. Make I come out see because this life now small thing though.
Small thing.
Maybe we dey pray.
Now one life we get to live.
Now one life. Now one life. Let me come where I
say
that one life, that my friend, I know they use some. But person not they be 100% perfect though. If somebody tell you say he be he na 100% perfect.
Not true.
Borrow leg. Join this your leg where God give you. Use a run.
One life, oh, not leave me. Okay now, bye bye.